Hey y'all, over the past few weeks I've been designing a European antique botanical ephemera collection. I always laugh when I say that. Today I want to show you how these pieces can be used inside a scrapbook or journal. Ephemera isn't just meant to be beautiful, it should support your photos and your story. Here are the finished pieces from the collection: tags, pockets, and journaling card. I always begin with a simple foundation, a photo, and a neutral base. Next, I add a pocket. This creates both structure and function, a place to hold journaling or additional photos. Tags add layering and visual movement without overwhelming the page. Journaling cards support the story. They give you space to write without crowding the layout. At this stage, I make small adjustments until everything feels balanced. This is how the collection comes together: simple, cohesive, and designed to support your memories. So when you start with a cohesive foundation, the layout comes together naturally. If you struggle with pages that feel random, I have a free guide linked below in the description that walks through my full design process. So thank you for joining me along this journey with this ephemera collection design and creation. Join me again next week to see what I'm into next.